In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and rename a table in Microsoft Access. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We will begin by opening the Microsoft Access application on your computer. Once the program has launched, you should see the main interface where you can access your files and databases. At this point, carefully locate and select your desired database file from the options provided. This file contains the tables and data you will be working with, so it is important to ensure that the correct database is chosen before moving on. After opening the database file, the next task is to choose the specific table that you want to modify. In Microsoft Access, tables hold your data in a structured format, and each table is a collection of related information. Take a moment to review the list of tables available and decide which one is appropriate for renaming. With the table identified, you can now move on to the renaming process. To rename the table, position your pointer over the table name in the list and perform a right-click action. This will bring up a context menu with several options. In this menu, look for the command to rename the table. Selecting the rename option will allow you to modify the table name directly. It is important to choose a descriptive and clear new name that reflects the content and purpose of the data inside the table. As you type the new name, double check for any typos or errors to ensure that the name is exactly as you intend it to be. Once you have confirmed the new name, the table in your database will update accordingly. With the renaming process complete, you might now be ready to move on to deleting a table from your Microsoft Access database. If you have determined that a certain table is no longer needed, or if the data it contains is outdated, you can safely remove it. Begin this process by once again selecting the table you wish to delete from the list of tables in your database. Once you have the table selected, perform a right-click action on it. The right-click will once again open a context menu with several available choices. Within this newly displayed menu, look carefully for the delete option. Clicking on this option signals your intention to remove the table from the database. Before confirming the deletion, be absolutely sure that this is the correct table, as this action cannot be easily undone once it is completed. Microsoft Access may prompt you to confirm that you want to delete the table, ensuring that the removal is deliberate. Accept the prompt to proceed. Following these steps, the table will be successfully deleted from your database. This tutorial has guided you clearly through the processes of renaming and deleting a table in Microsoft Access, emphasizing careful selection and confirmation at every stage. Whether you are organizing your database with updated names or purging information that is no longer required, these instructions provide a straightforward approach to managing your tables in Microsoft Access. Enjoy the improved organization and function of your database, and thank you for following along with this instructional guide.